And we are coming back. We are a talent resources service provider. Today I'm talking about work from home opportunity. Okay, here I'm telling you the what are the main things are you required for this job. Okay, the salary, a very huge, a very sufficient, a good salary from the company. Okay, what main skills qualifications are required for this job? Okay, it's a company name. Okay, fail sport. All right. Let me check at 40 hours. Okay, the Wednesday off. All right, the main responsibilities. Develop. All right, candidate profile, full UK driving license. Okay, here is the essential. This all right. This is an essential requirement for this job. Okay, full driving license. Okay, uh, the right. Okay, and here is a bank account. You have a UK bank account, fluent in English. Okay, must have. And let me check other things if all things are necessary or essential for this job. It's a remote work from home job. All right. Full UK driving license is essential. The right to the work in the UK. All right. And let me check other thing or is essential. All right. For this job, what the company offer, the basic salary, full expense, the wins. All right. And no, I think there is not any other required skills for this job company are looking for. They just company tell them what we offer 20 per annum, the addition with basic salaries. All right, then no additional skills are required. Just a driving license. You must have a full clean driving license. Company, all right, with the company pensions, 20 days holiday per annum. The company, what you offer for flexible Saturday per annum. All right, you no need for any skills. Okay, the very good, a very easy job, a good benefit from the company, and I think no more any essential skills to apply for this job are required to a very. You just do not apply from this apply now buttons. If you go through the apply now button, mostly recruiters are not contact you through. In my suggestion, you can contact through search company name in the Google bar. All right, search the LinkedIn company page and check any HR or recruiter person in the company and send direct your CV to the HR manager. The more chance to hire a call interview from the company. Okay, in my suggestion, if you need any further application process assistance, CV designing, crafting, detailing, we can assist you. You can send me a message, direct message, or you just comments on the comments below. All right, so we can help you to apply on this very good opportunity. Okay, we just find the HR managers directly company and craft your CVs and send to the directly to the HR manager. Okay, it's a very easy to directly apply to the HR manager or very mostly people are going through this apply now button and recruiters and then say that we are not any call from the recruiters. That's the main reason mostly recruiters are not checked after the apply now button, mostly are taking from directly interviews from their pages companies directly approaching. So in my suggestion, you directly approach or you can contact me. Thank you.